Classic old Vespa in for restoration. I'm going to take you through all the little things you've got to look at for preparation. So initially, first things first, we brace the frame to stop it moving around because we know we're going to cut the floor out. The floor has been badly welded up as well. So floor cut out, and we have to address the rust. So initially we could see this section here was full of filler, and that filler was just hiding what was, lots of rust underneath, and that you've got to address because that will come back and bite you later on if you don't get in there. As you can see, the old floor here, someone's tried to weld it up, done a bad job of it here, and this is all the rust down the seams and in underneath where we want to get to. So cut that out and replace it with a new floor. So initially we want to get into this tunnel and get that blasted and cleaned up inside. It's these seams that rot and bubble and rust, so we really want to cut it out to get at those and the tunnel. What we'll do is we'll zinc coat the tunnel after we've done the blasting to save it for another 40-50 years. This little tube here, which is the rear brake cable housing, it can be damaged as well, and sometimes Dave likes to get in there and replicate, make another one of these and replace it. So when you look at a restored Vespa, this section here, it's got spot welds in it, and you should really see them because that's original to the bike. Now a lot of people that would be doing restorations might fill up those spot welds or even ask for them to be filled up by the customer, but that's not how it's meant to be. The body shop here have a spot welder that replicates these spot welds when they do these sort of repairs in that area, and it's a proper way of doing it. If you look at this section here, it's had a bit of drama where it's been damaged, panel beaded, stretched, and it's got loads of filler on it here. You can see the filler. Now we want to blast that and get in here and see what's really going on to panel beat it. Another area on the Vespas that are prone to a lot of rust is this section at the back where the top of this rear suspension rubber is. Now that there can get a lot of rust from the road, dirt and weather. So another section prone to rot and rust is this back seam here. If ever you see a lot of restored bikes with no back seam, then obviously it's just full of filler. So the seams do bloat and swell with the rust, and that needs cut out and replaced. So on this side there was a battery tray, which we're not really using anymore, but in the seam of the battery tray there was rust. So Dave just, you see, drilled out all the weld marks and took that off. He's going to clean that up. So once this scooter's blasted, we'll come back to it and we'll see what's really going on underneath that filler and old paint. A bit like this one here. And by the way, don't subscribe. I hate that. Just watch it if you want to. I'm going to show you more videos with this process. I want to give you the information of what actually goes into a proper restoration on a Vespa or Lambretta. If you want to get a quote from us for your Vespa or Lambretta, then give us a call. And by the way, don't subscribe.